The purpose of an opposition brief is to show that your adversary isn't entitled to the relief they requested in the opening brief. In a way, writing an opposition brief is easier than an opening brief because you've got a target to aim at. You've already seen your adversary's best arguments. When you have to draft an opposition, begin by doing a big picture assessment of the opening brief. You'll want to get a sense of the brief's overall approach before getting into the details. A good place to start is with the table of contents. By reading through the headings and subheadings in the table of contents, you'll be able to see how the brief's arguments are framed and what each argument's reasoning is. As you do this review, you'll start getting ideas on how to respond to the arguments. Jot down notes as you go. Next, do your first pass through the brief to better understand the substance of the arguments. Pay particular attention to the order your adversary chose to put the arguments in, which signals what they think are their most important arguments, the evidence or cases they rely on most heavily, which you'll need a strong response to, and the theme of the motion, which you'll try to challenge with your own theme. Also assess the impact the brief will make on the court. Ask yourself which arguments are likely to have the strongest impression on the judge. Flag arguments that might be compelling to the court, even if you disagree with them. Similarly, flag statements about the facts or the law that could strike the judge as persuasive, even if they're wrong. These are all things you'll need to strongly rebut.